Bitrue Crypto Exchange Review, My Usage Experience. In this review, I'll be sharing my experience with Bitrue, a crypto exchange that caters to both beginners and experienced traders alike. Bitrue offers a broad range of features, including spot and futures trading, staking, a lending program, and even a DeFi platform, making it an attractive option for a diverse audience. Whether you're new to crypto or a seasoned trader, Bitrue's user-friendly interface and advanced tools are designed to support all levels of trading activity. First off, the platform's ease of use is one of its biggest strengths. The registration process is straightforward, and the interface is intuitive, which makes it easy to navigate between spot trading, futures, and staking. For beginners, Bitrue also has a clean mobile app, offering a seamless experience for trading on the go. The platform also boasts competitive fees with 0.10% trading fee for spot transactions, which is on par with most exchanges. However, users can reduce these fees further by using Bitrue's native token, BTR, making it a cost-effective choice for frequent traders. Bitrue's security measures are robust with two-factor authentication, 2FA, anti-phishing codes, and cold storage for digital assets to ensure that your funds are safe. While I've found the security to be solid, as with any platform, it's essential to remain vigilant. One standout feature is Bitrue's staking program. You can stake a wide range of cryptocurrencies, earning passive income with interest rates that are competitive compared to other platforms. Additionally, the Bitrue lending feature allows you to lend your crypto for flexible durations and earn interest and fund, adding to the platform's appeal for those looking to make the most of their holdings. For advanced traders, Bitrue's futures trading is a great option, with up to 100x leverage, offering high risk but potentially higher rewards. The exchange also supports a variety of altcoins, making it a solid choice for those looking to diversify their portfolios. In summary, Bitrue is a versatile platform suitable for both novice and experienced crypto traders. It offers a solid mix of features, including staking, lending, and advanced trading options with competitive fees and strong security. If you're looking for a one-stop shop for crypto trading and passive income, Bitrue is definitely worth considering.